Good morning, traders. This is Tony D from easyMarkets in Sydney. We've had an interesting open here on the Bitcoin. You can see jumping higher, surging. 9,500 almost right now. That's the high so far today. Look, in terms of what's driving this, it looks like there's banks in Korea that are going to be accepting Bitcoin as an account type. That's really getting the adopter status of Bitcoin higher. It could end up being a major form of currency that's widely used in Japan and in Korea. And really from that you could see a good test case to see what the governments do, and then just broadly, if it's going to be around the world. Like some of the, in technology worlds, some of these Asian countries are well advanced in terms of where their mobile systems are, and also just their technology up use is just really, to that next level. So they're already using their phones to do many things in terms of payment processing in Korea and in Japan. So this adding of Bitcoin is really an easy addition, where some other societies are a little bit more cash driven. So it depends on the cash basically use in your society as to how quickly you can get over to a digital currency. But in terms of where the targets are, the CME story is still driving the market as well. 10,000 is the target everyone's talking about by the year end, but it's coming to be almost day end. This is a really sharp rally here, much faster than, every day it continues to surprise me how quickly Bitcoin is rallying. But you can see, literally doubling in price in the last in the last 2 weeks. So that's the sort of market we're dealing with. So just be alert to the volatility. There will be pullbacks. Use them potentially as entries. Just keep an eye on the news as well, or you can give us a call. We've got a finger on the Bitcoin pulse at the moment. So if you do need a little update, if you want to have a little chat about what's moving the market, or just a bit more understanding of what Bitcoin is, then do give us a call and we can talk about how to trade it. You can actually sell it as well. I wouldn't recommend that until we get some price action that dictates that option. In terms of the currencies, because it was Thanksgiving last week, or Thursday, Friday in the US, was very quiet. You did see the big moves happening only with the euro though. Euro rallied across the board. This is on the back of reports that Merkel was going to have a CDU SDB coalition again. Now this is potentially off stopping the new election talk, bringing some stability into the Europe's largest economy. All the things the markets wanted to hear in terms of this story. And so you have seen euro surge above 119, euro pound surge back above 89.50. But so far today hasn't been too much follow through. Most of the action so far today has been with dollar yen, and a nice little rally so far in the Asian session. Alright guys, outlook today in terms of data still to come out. We do have the end of the month is usually the slowest data period. Alright, so I wouldn't be on the outlook for data this week, but in terms of next week, many asked today, is there non-farms on Friday because it is the first of the month? No, for some strange reason, and we will get back to you on what that is. It is on the 8th this month. Could be to do with the holidays, not giving enough time to collect the data over there in the US. But it's on Friday, so just a good on the Friday week, so the 8th this week. So alright guys, if you do want to have a chat though to us, give us a call on the contact details below. If you're not a member of the easyMarkets Active Traders group, you can sign up on the link below as well. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll see update on see if this euro rally can continue to 120.